Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to talk about self-esteem. We all have moments in our lives when we feel powerless and hopeless. But today, we are going to change that with some rituals to help boost your self-esteem and self-empowerment. So if you've ever felt a bit unsure or in need of a confidence boost, you're in the right place. Let's get started on this journey to reclaim your energy. Another way to feel empowered is to create a confidence boosting Mojo bag that you can carry with you to feel empowered. You'll need an orange or gold Mojo bag, hydrangea root, borage leaves, bloodstone, black tourmaline, and tiger's eye. Before you begin, be sure to sage all of your materials to get rid of any unwanted energies. Next, place each ingredient in the pouch, one at a time. As you hold each item in your right hand, close your eyes and visualize it filling with warm, protecting energy. Ask each ingredient for its support in helping you feel strong, empowered, and confident. Once all the items are in the pouch, tie it shut. Hold it to your heart center and feel the energy. Keep the sachet close to your skin. When you need a boost of confidence, simply hold it in your hands and give it a gentle squeeze and take a deep breath. I hope that these rituals boost your confidence and your self-empowerment. Remember that the journey to self-love and empowerment is ongoing, and you have to take small steps every day to achieve that goal. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Make sure you share this video with a like-minded friend. Until next time, stay blessed, stay positive, and stay original.